Hello everybody, so review of the compact today. So I should have made this review sooner, but I didn't. But I think it's one of the main 91mm knives, really popular, really popular. So for the number 1.3405, same usual box. And here is the compact. So for the characteristics, we have, of course, 91mm for the length. We have for the thickness 15.5 millimeters. For the weight, we have 64 grams, and it has 15 functions. So see you in 10 seconds for the review. So, what do we have? Before starting, I didn't add anything, like the mini screwdriver, like the pen. It comes with it when you buy the knife. So, main blade. Here we don't have the pen blade, small blade. We have the combo tool, screwdriver, can opener, bottle opener, and wire bender stripper. Then we have scissors. Finally, on the back we have a corkscrew, mini screwdriver. We have the hook, and on this hook we have a nail file. Then here we have the straight pin, then we have tweezers, we have the pen, and the toothpick. Keyring, of course, and we have 15 functions. For the price, it can be a bit expensive based on the thickness, only 2 layers. It's 45 euros. It has 15 functions, and if you compare with Huntsman, for example, Huntsman has 15 functions, and it's 40 euros, I think. So maybe it's a bit expensive, but maybe not that much. It's a knife that will last very long, a lifetime. So as I said, the compact is the exception among the 91mm range. So we have the Spartan and Tinker, which are, I would say, every 91mm is based on those two knives, except the compact. So what is it? It's the large blade, small blade, can opener with screwdriver, bottle opener, screwdriver, wire bender, and back corkscrew or Phillips, and the reamer or all. So you will always have that on a 91mm knife, except for the compact, which has the combo, which doesn't have this layer, and which doesn't have the reamer. So that's really the exception. So what I think about it, For me, it's really a great knife. It was my daily. I say was because I made my custom, and I'm carrying this one as my daily. But it was really my daily, and it's really a good one. I really like it. Scissors for me are really important. I can use that for opening packages, for opening many things, for bond heads, for example. So really useful. The blade, of course, for opening cardboards or stuff like that. This to open a bottle, beer, for example, always useful. The screwdriver also. Really like the corkscrew, because you can do a lot of things with that, untying a knot, stuff like that. The mini screwdriver, which is really important for me. The pen as well. So that's really for me a great knife. The hook as well to carry packages, but many more things as well. So really a good one for me. I think it's the case for many people. But yes, you can have that in your pocket, and you will feel like it's not there. And it was my daily, of course, for work, stuff like that. Of course, if I go hiking in the forest, in the woods, it's not enough. I need something like Huntsman. But for daily work, when I'm home, it's a good one. But as I said, I'm carrying this one right now, since I did it. And maybe I could make video about it to say how it went, I would say. If I'm happy about my custom, if I'm using everything, if I would change something. So maybe tell me in the comments if you would be interested by a video about this one. Just to say if I'm happy about it, or if I would add something, if I would remove something from it, stuff like that. And the compact is really a great knife to me. The weight is it's really lightweight. It's really light. It's not heavy. That's really I don't know. As scissors, and scissors are the tool that really is important for me. As the blade. Yeah, and for example, we have the climber, but the climber is thicker, one layer, but that's 3 layers instead of 2. And I prefer carrying this one because you have this, so you lose the small blade, but this one is really great. It's really great. Can't say much about it. What else can I say? I think that's it. So as usual, if you have any questions, suggestions, in the comment section. If you want to contact me privately, there is the email address in the about section. You can contact me via Instagram as well, and don't forget to subscribe, like if you liked the video, and I'll see you in the next video, of course. So take care, be well, and see you next time. Bye bye.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig